Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use sweep, extrude, and chamfer. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create the center line of this pipe. So we have a line here with 150 millimeters. And we have an arc here. This arc will be this arc plus this 1/2, which will be 200 millimeters of radius, and we will create this line here with 150 millimeters of length. So open the Inventor, go to Sketch, select the front plane, select a line, click here in this point, make a line here with 150 millimeters of length, and make an arc here, and make another line here. Go to Constraint, select Equal, select this line and this one, and go to Dimension. This arc here has 200 millimeters of length, of radius, sorry. We made this one, and now finish the sketch. And now we will select the right plane, and we'll make the circle here. We'll make the pipe. So it is two circles, one circle with 170 millimeters and the other circle with 150 millimeters of diameter. So go to Sketch and select the right plane, select the circle, click here in the center, make a circle here with 170 millimeters and another circle in the center with 150 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. And now go to Sweep and the profile here. Select this area and the path, select this line here, the sketch one, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the right plane again and we will create this sketch here. And here we have a square with 300 millimeters. In the corners we have a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. And select the centered rectangle. Click here in the midpoint. It will be 300 by 300. And go to fillet. Make a fillet in the corners with 20 millimeters of radius. And press OK. Let me delete this dimension here. Make this equal. And now, the distance between this circle here and the midpoint is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. And this circle here has 40 millimeters of diameter. And we need to create 4 circles. So to create this, select the centered rectangle again. And click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here 200 by 200. And here, select this rectangle here. We will transform this to a construction geometry. And select this circle, make a circle at this point with 40 millimeters of diameter. Let me make this equal here. And here select the circle. Make a circle here in the center with 150 millimeters. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this, so go to extrude, select this profile. And we will extrude this 40 millimeters to this side here. So the distance here is 40 millimeters and press OK. And now we need to create the same flange here, but in this side, the dimensions is the same. So let's create this. Select this face here. Select the circle, find the center here, 150 millimeters. And here we needed to extrude this profile. The distance is 40 millimeters and press OK. And to finish this exercise, we needed to create this chamfer with 5 millimeters in this edge here. So go to chamfer, the distance 5 millimeters. Select this edge here and this one and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.